President Biden, his administration has been flying people to New York for quite some time, and yet didn't hear anything from our mayor or governor. The reality is this president has undone the policies of President Trump, and now we're seeing a 300% increase of crossings at our southern border. You had dozens of people caught on the terrorist watch list crossing. You've emboldened the drug cartels, who are now making billions and billions of dollars and incentivized to human trafficking and drug trafficking. Fentanyl, as you know, has become the #1 killer of 18 to 45-year-old Americans, and we know it's coming from the drug cartels manufactured in Mexico. And so this president has also stopped the barrier construction. He has reinstated catch and release. He refuses to require that the migrants remain in Mexico waiting for their asylum date. So he has created this crisis single-handedly.
Sure, and that's the irony when, the mayor here says, oh, that darn awful Republican governor. Congresswoman, when you look at the numbers of the number of people who've been bused to New York and Washington, D.C., in Washington, D.C., as of a couple of days ago, it was about 7,500. Here in New York City, about 1,800. We are under the impression that close to 7,000 or 8,000 migrants come across our southern border every day. So if New York City is complaining about a quarter of the number of people that come across every day are coming to New York City, ultimately, maybe this isn't such a sanctuary city after all.
Well, look, the mayor should be calling on the president of his own party to stop this chaos. As we've said, millions of people have crossed. It's a 300% increase over when President Trump was in office. And instead, our mayor and our governor are incentivizing illegal immigration. You have the mayor putting up people in fancy hotels, upwards of $700 a night, costing the taxpayers $300 million. You have our governor providing free health care to illegal immigrants when you have senior citizens who are struggling to pay for their Medicare. You have payouts, $2 billion in stimulus checks when you have a single mother who has three children earning $90,000 who got no stimulus check from the government. And then Kathy Hochul tells New Yorkers, she tells her tax-paying citizens, if you don't like it, move to Florida. That's how disgusting it's become under one-party Democrat rule at the city, state, and federal level.